Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Every living being is trying to lord it over the material things. That is his disease. He wants to lord it. He is servant, but artificially he wants to become lord. That is the disease. Everyone. Ultimately, when he fails to lord it over the material world, he says, oh, this material world is false. Now I shall become one with the Supreme. Brahma Sattva Jagan Mithya. But because the spirit soul is part and parcel of Krishna, so by nature he is joyful. He is seeking after joy. Every one of us, we are working so hard to find out some pleasure of life. So that pleasure of life cannot be had in the spiritual effulgence. Therefore, in the Srimad Bhagavatam, we get this information, the Arujya Kritchena Parang Padam. Kritchena, after undergoing severe austerity and penance, one may merge into the Brahma effulgence. Sajujya Mukti, it is called Sajujya Mukti. Sajujya, to merge. The Arujya Kritchena Parang Padam. Even one goes up to that point, to merge into the Brahma existence, after severe austerity and penances, still they fall down. Patanti adha. Adha means again comes into this material world. Arujya Kritchena Parang Padang Tata Patanti adha. Why they fall down? Anadita Jusmadangha. They will never agree God is person. They will never agree. Their teeny brain cannot accommodate that God, the Supreme, can be a person. Because he has experience of the person of himself or others. If God is a person like me and you, then how he can create innumerable universes? Therefore, to understand the Supreme Personality of Godhead, it requires enough pious activity. In Bhagavad Gita it is said, Bahunam Janmanam Ante. After speculating in the impersonal, philosophical way, when one is mature, Bahunam Janman Ante, Jnanavan, when he is actually wise, so long he cannot understand that the Supreme Absolute Truth is person, Sachidananda Vigraha. Brahmeti Paramatmeti Bhagavaniti Sardat. Bhagavan. Badanti tat tattavidas tattam jad jnanam advayam. This is a statement in the Srimad Bhagavad. Those who know the absolute truth, they know that Brahma, Paramatma and Bhagavan, they are one. It is different phases of understanding only. Just like if you see one hill from a distant place, you will find impersonal, hazy something, cloudy. If you go still forward, then you can see it is something greenish. And if you go actually within the hill, you will see there are so many animals, trees, men. Similarly, those who are trying to understand the Absolute from distant place or far away, they are realizing by speculation impersonal Brahma. Those are still forward yogis, they can see localized aspect. Dhyanavasthita tadgatena manasa pasyanti yam yogina. They can see dhyanavasthita, localized within himself. This is Paramatma feature. And those who are devotees, they see Krishna, the Supreme Personality of God, eye to eye, one person to another. Nitya nityanam, chetana chetananam.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare